me think of it. When wealthy people pay themselves, they're creating instruments for their money to pay back into them by itself. Instruments for my money to become what they call an asset. This is very, very, very simple. This is what an asset or a liability is. I'm going to put this plain as day for all of us that's watching this. If something I own or possess puts money into my pocket, it's an asset. If something I own or possess, I have to pay out on it, it's a liability, right? So if I have a Maybach 200,000 whatever car that I'm paying on, that car is not an asset, it's a liability. Anything that I'm kicking out loot for is bleeding me out is a liability, whether it's a little bit of blood or a lot of bit of blood.
No, right? That's real.
And anything that is paying into me. So, for example, behind you have a salon chair. Is that a salon chair?
Bruh, can I speak?
Go, jump in there. Jump in.
Before you even go, I wanted to touch on this, right? And I have to give it back to HCN and its co-founders because they're genius.
Okay.
And so many people have said to me, go get a salon. You know, I've had maybe anywhere from 3 to 5 different people who say, I can help you get started.
Right.
You know, and I'm like, to me, it doesn't make sense for me to pay rent to live here and then pay rent for a hair salon. I can't see me paying for that twice. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's a lot. That's like, double paying.
I'm going to pay BJ&E twice?
Right.
And that's what goes, and I don't mean to be rude in this comment. I don't want to do everybody's hair. Like, that's it. Because one of my good girlfriends, who's also a cosmetologist, and she works in a salon, she's like, I don't want you to keep bringing people to your house. And I respect her. You know, she's looking out for my safety. But like I had to tell her, everybody doesn't come to my house because we do in and out service.
Nice.
So if I feel like I can't have you home with me, I will come to your home.
Yeah.
Because I feel like I'm spiritually grounded enough.
There we go.
That whatever environment I'm going to walk into, I'm going to walk out the way I came for, if not better.
Absolutely.
I'm covered.
I like that.
I can't bring all of that into my house, though. So, yes, it is a salon, and it's 2 of them.
Wow.
2 chairs back there.
Wow.
You know, and that was just cutting off expenses. Because
I think that's
I was
so
feeling
smart.
like, yeah, it didn't make sense. It didn't make sense to go get a salon suite.
Why would we do that? And so I knew this guy, right? So this guy, he was driving Uber, right? But he also had a full-time job. So his car that he was paying a car note on started making him more money per month than the car note. So now the car is a liability. But he's working all the time and driving all the time. And this guy did something that I thought was absolutely genius, and I'm going to share it here. He decided to let one of his homeboys sign up for a different car driving service, Lyft or somebody. And when he was at work, his homeboy was driving his same car, Lyft, and breaking him off. So now his car is bringing in, it's an asset. It's a tool. So I'm looking at your 2 chairs back there. I only saw one at first, but I'm thinking about it for the people that there's another word out there, folks. It's called vetting. And that's basically putting people through the test. Like, do I know you enough? Can I find you? Can I reach you? Do I trust you? Are you me? Are we the same? Are we similar enough so that when I'm taking care of my kid, I'm running here, I'm doing there, I'm going somewhere else to do hair, I'm in this chair, who can I have in the other chairs that are breaking me off a bit so that what I already have is developing assets? There's so much about our lifestyles, JQ, for all of us that are already primed to be an asset, to help us generate. You will never, no person will ever get rich exchanging work hours for a paycheck. That's not how wealth is generated. Wealth is generated by 3 ways: property, real estate; money markets, so that's stocks, foreign exchange, that sort of stuff that your money is moving while you're not touching it; and franchising yourself, making other people's hours and labor go into what you do. So that's why McDonald's is so successful. That's why homeboy getting his car to be driven by Lyft while he drives it for Uber when he's at work. That's why that stuff works. And so just figuring out what in our life. The last thing I'm going to say about this.